Hello students, in today's class, we'll learn about the meter reading process. First, let's review the definition of meter reading. Power supply companies, meter readers, regularly record the data from customers' electric meters. So, how do we record the data from customers' electric meters? What are the different methods? That is, the meter reading methods can be divided into several categories. First is manual meter reading. It is the oldest method that we used. Second is semi-automatic meter reading. Third is fully automatic meter reading. Next, we'll talk about the process of manual meter reading. First, dress code. The dress code requires meeting the requirements of two wears and two wears. Two wears refer to wearing work clothes, wearing insulated shoes. Two wears refer to wearing a safety helmet, wearing cotton gloves. According to the Labor Law of the People's Republic of China, Article 54, employers must provide workers with labor safety and health conditions and necessary labor protective equipment. According to national regulations for workers engaged in occupational hazard operations, they should undergo regular health checkups. The national standard for electrician labor protection work clothes is as follows. Workers' work clothes should not have any parts that can be caught by rotating machinery. When working, the work clothes must be worn. The clothes and cuffs must be buttoned up. Scarves are prohibited, and long clothes are prohibited. Work clothes should not be made of nylon, chemical fiber, or cotton chemical fiber blends to prevent work clothes from burning when exposed to fire and worsening burns. Introduction to insulated shoes. Insulated shoes are suitable for communication AC 50 Hz below 1000 volt or DC 1500 volts below electrical equipment. When working on as auxiliary safety tools and label protective equipment, workers using insulated leather shoes can tough light parts with basic tools and can be used to prevent step voltage electric shocks. Step voltage refers to the potential difference between two feet. When electrical equipment is grounded, generally 0.8 meters. Third, wearing a safety helmet. Correct way to wear a safety helmet. First, before wearing a safety helmet each time, first to confirm the safety helmet's certificate of compliance and expiration date. Check the safety helmet for any damage or cracks. Check the space between the helmet liner and the helmet shell should be 2 to 4 centimeters to ensure that when an object falls onto the helmet shell, the helmet liner can provide enough cushioning effect to protect the cervical spine. Second, adjust the circumference of the helmet liner to slightly constrain the head. Try rotating the helmet with both hands, adjusted until it can hardly rotate, but the head does not feel uncomfortable while not fastening the chin strap. Try lowering your head to ensure the safety helmet does not fall off. When the above actions are completed, fasten the chin strap. The chin strap needs to be snug against the chin. In principle, it should feel constraining but not uncomfortable as a standard. Third, people with longer hair should put their hair inside the helmet liner when wearing the safety helmet. Fourth, after learning the correct way to wear a safety helmet, choose a quality safety helmet. Wearing cotton gloves. First, according to your working conditions, choose the right cotton gloves. Secondly, before wearing cotton gloves, check the gloves for any damage or tears or punctures for low temperature operations. mining operations, power supply operations, and static electricity operations. It is recommended to choose 100% pure cotton gloves because pure cotton gloves have insulation and do not generate static electricity functions. Gloves without moisture. Second, handling work tickets. Work tickets are written permissions to work on electrical equipment and software systems. Work. They're also written basis for implementing safety technical measures. Written basis classification of work tickets. First type of work ticket, second type of work ticket. For working on high voltage equipment that requires complete power outage or partial power outage, use the first type of work ticket. Use the second type of work ticket. For live line work and work on live equipment and on the shares of live equipment. And on the shares of the equipment, complete the electrical second type of work ticket. The issue of the work ticket should be the electrical supervisor, the production leader, and an experienced person responsible for technology. Personnel. Third, three-step electricity testing. First, step 1, pen test. Neon light on indicates the test pen is in good condition. Step 2, cabinet test, or the metal connection parts of the operation table. Conduct a test. Neon light off indicates the cabinet or table is not live, or the metal connection parts of the operation table indicates the cabinet or table is not live. If uncertain, repeat step 1. Conduct step 3. Pen test. Neon light on indicates the test pen is in good condition. Indicates the cabinet or table is not live. Fourth, safety pre-control. First, conduct hazard point notification. Clarify leave parts. Clarify leave parts. Explain the work tasks. Explain the work tasks. Conduct meter reading. Fifth, hazard point pre-control. At the work site, hand signs to prevent personal electric shock injury, prevent voltage circuits, short circuits. Or grounding during operation prohibit current, secondary circuits, open circuits during operation. 6. Clear the site. Arrange tools and instruments neatly. Restore the original state, clear the site. Restore the original state. And work tickets. Work orders. Report the end of operation. Submit a meter reading card. Finally, let's summarize today's on-site meter reading process. On-site meter reading process. First, dress code. 2 words and 2 words. Wearing long-sleeved cotton work clothes. Wearing insulated shoes. Wearing a safety helmet. Wearing cotton gloves. Second, verbal handling of work tickets. Third, 3-step electricity testing. Fourth, safety pre-controller. Fifth, hazard point pre-controller. Sixth, clear the site. And work tasks.